everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to play the number 2 problem of how to play cube. First, you put the white like here, and then put the blue here, and then the red goes here, and then the orange but leave the red and the blue like this, and then the yellow goes like this, and then the purple goes like this. Because it's missing one part, because you already know how to play it, we start from the easy part before we play the hard part. And then you put the green here. Now it's complete. It is now cube shape. Thank you for watching. Don't forget for the like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.